back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm so glad you're here. If you love videos like this, then I hope you consider subscribing, and if you do, please do not forget to click that bell because it will help you to be reminded of all of my future videos. Okay, if you've seen the title of this video, then you know what's about to happen. If you have participated in the Sephora sale, the VIB sale, all of that goodness, then you know that the shipping dates have been so long. I wanted to share this haul a while back, but all of the things that I ordered came in pieces. But I am glad that it's here. The last part of it came in today, so I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you everything. So I think what I'm gonna do is show you in the order that it came in. And let me show you this particular box. So this is the first box that I got. And this is what was in it. Yes. That big old box, and I bet that's the smallest box that they had. But because of that, I was disappointed when I opened it. I thought that was everything that I had. And it wasn't. My heart was just like, oh, where's the rest of my stuff? So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Daily Peel, the Alpha Beta Daily Peel. I think it is, yes. Universal Daily Peel. Anyway, this is a patented 2-step peel with 5 acids. It's supposed to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. And this comes in 5 treatments. Now, I ordered this after ordering this, and I ordered this just to see. This one here is the same thing except it's extra strength. So because I used to order this all the time before, you know, I felt like I had aging skin. I am about to be 50, and I used to use just the regular one all the time. So I decided that I was going to try the extra strength one just to see how my skin accepted it, if it would love it. And if I broke out, then I would just go back to this one. My skin didn't quite like this. When I went back during the sale to get the full size of this one, sold out completely. Basically, it's a 2-minute peel, and it's a 2-step one. So let me pull this out just in case some of you are not familiar with this. But they come in packets, and you have a step 1 and a step 2. And the step 1, you rub it all over your face. You can rub it on your neck, parts of your chest. I even take it to like my shoulders, my neck and my shoulders, and my hands. And you leave step 1 on for 2 minutes. Then you go into step 2, and that ends the peel process. And then once I do that, I add an oil or a moisturizer of some kind to my skin, because if you don't, it can dry out. And you don't want that. The whole point of doing this peel is to take off the dead skin layers and keep your skin looking youthful, and then adding some moisturizer to keep it nice and supple. So this is what I use. So I'm still going to go back and get the full size when I get close to finishing this. But that is all for that big old box. In the next box I have, this is the NARS Mini Laguna Lip and Cheek Duo. That's what that is. So I've been seeing this for a long time. And oh, let me tell you, first of all, the box feels like velvet. I have not ordered anything from NARS in a long time, so I am unfamiliar with the packaging and all this, and I don't know if this is the packaging, the way the packaging feels only for this, but I want to get the mini because I didn't know bronzers are funny, you know, and I'm really picky with bronzers that I get. Anyway, I just wanted to get the smaller version of this. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, wow. I really like the colors on this packaging. I mean, the deep dark midnight black with the orange lettering against it. That is really chic. Wow. Okay, so look at that. And I'm sure many of you have seen this because this has been around for a little bit. Let me go ahead and open it because I do want to do a swatch. But there's that. That may not be dark enough. So I'm glad I got the sample, but here we go. We're gonna swatch it. Oh yeah, that's way too light. You all might not even be able to detect it, but it's right there. That is way too light. The other thing that comes with this is the lip gloss. So once again, I mean, the packaging is beautiful. It's just gorgeous. And that's glass, so you really have to be careful with that. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's see. I'm assuming that the lip gloss is gonna be the same shade. Yeah. I think the lip gloss is gonna look better on my lips than the bronzer on my cheeks. And so I'll probably give that away to someone I think would, it would show up on them a little better. But there's the gloss. Let's see, let me see if I can swatch that just a little better. The, I don't even know what to call it. The little tip of that is not really the best, but this is a mini too, so. Okay, that looks a little better. And I kind of expected a little more sparkle from it, but it gets pretty high ratings on Sephora. At least the little mini packaging. I didn't even look to see what the full size rating was on this. But anyway, I'm excited to try this on my lips and see what it looks like. So this is the Tatcha One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. And I want to mention Marlo Keenan. She let me know on Instagram that she was mentioning me in a video, and I found out that I won a $25 gift certificate. So with that $25 gift certificate, I was able to get this. And I had been hearing a lot of things about this brand in general. And I think there's a primer that there was a suggestion to try on several channels, but when I saw this, I was like, you know, I'm really looking for a very good cleanser, something that helps to remove all of this makeup off at the end of the day, but leave my skin feeling moisturized. So I got this, and thank you, Marlo. I'm excited to use it. The packaging is so beautiful. It's just something about gold or bronze or silver, anything against black. I just love it. It just makes it look so sleek. So let's go ahead and open this up, because I want to see what it looks like. And I've been very patient. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it has a little ribbon that you pull to pull that up out of there. That is so pretty. So this is what this looks like. And I'm gonna open this up. I just want to smell it, and maybe I can give you guys a description. For those of you who may not have tried this or know anything about this, I want to kind of give you, okay, so it's in a pump. That is so cool. You have to twist it to unlock it. Ooh, okay, so there it is right there. It does come out in an oil. It has a very beautiful soft scent, and I can't see that lingering. It's like a barely there fragrance. So I'm looking forward to trying this cleanser. So on to the next box. All right, so in this one, I actually got my samples. And let me know, please, in the comments below, do you all always get the samples that you request from Sephora? So the first sample that I got is the Pretty Vulgar Lava Water Foundation. So apparently they have several shades, several different skin tones, which is just beautiful. I love it when I see that. But these are the ones that came in the samples. So I'm gonna see if I can try the ones that appear to be closest to my skin tone. And the next thing that I got is the Yves Saint Laurent. What is this? And you get 3 of these. These are the Touche Éclat concealers. All right, the last 2 items that I got are lipsticks. And this is the Dior Addict Liqueur Stick in the color Rolling. And I love this holographic packaging here. So pretty. Alright, how do I open this? Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a very corally, yeah, corally pink shade. So let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, and so moisturizing. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. So this is the lid. I'm gonna have to remember that. All right, let me show you the swatch. So that's what the lipstick looks like. Very pretty. It's like a corally nude. So pretty. So the next one is by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Kissing Lipstick. And it's in the shade Be Perfect. So B is not BE, it's the initial for the actual word that I don't use. Oh yeah, I love the packaging of Charlotte Tilbury. So there it is. So elegant. I love that rose gold. So pretty. So I got a nude. So these are 2 very similar shades. I think I was calling myself getting 2 different ones. Very similar. Like they're twins. So there's that. And there's that. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is Dior. So I can't tell you what it looked like online, but they didn't look the same. They did not look that similar. But all right. So this concludes my haul. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed everything. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and you all just take care. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Take care. Bye-bye.